This video shows how leave encashment is performed in Deskera HRMS. Prior to this, your system administrator must prepare a few things shown in this related prerequisite video. Otherwise, you may encounter problems while performing leave encashment. Let's begin. First, the employee has to apply for leave encashment. He logs into Deskera HRMS with his own user account. Under the Payroll widget, he clicks the Apply for Leave Encashment icon. Here he chooses which leave type to encash from. The available leaves and leaves pending encashment are displayed. He then enters the number of leaves to apply for encashment over here, and then clicks Submit. The employee has successfully applied for leave encashment, and now his leave manager will decide to approve it. The leave manager logs into Deskera HRMS with his own user account. Under the Payroll widget, he clicks the Approve Leave Encashment icon. The Leave Encashment tab shows up. Under Status, the leave manager will choose Pending to view the pending leave encashment applications. To approve the applications, he selects them and clicks Approve Leave Encashment. He can view approved applications by changing the status to Approved. Note that for approved applications to reach the encashed status, the employee's payroll needs to reach the calculated stage in payroll processing. Your payroll manager now initiates the payroll processing. He logs into Deskera HRMS with his own user account. He generates the employee's payroll as per normal, whilst making sure to assign certain payroll components discussed in the prerequisite video. Note that he should not manually assign the e-leave encashment payroll component. The system will assign it automatically if everything is done correctly up to this point. Upon reaching the calculated stage, your payroll manager will be able to view the draft version of the payroll to check if the leave encashment amount is correct. The rest of the payroll processing continues as per normal. And that's how leave encashment is performed in Deskera HRMS. Thanks for watching.